thought we were on like a walking trail, but it just opened up into this big meadow, nature preserve. And this guy is here. The Timex guy. This is crazy. There's more Timex guys over there. Tony's convinced we're trespassing on somebody's private property, but I don't think so. I don't think that there would be a thing that said no bikes, no motorcycles if you weren't just supposed to come back here and check it out. This is crazy. Shout out to TJ, Texas Jones. Dude, this is really something, man. Look at this. Where are we?
I was gonna try a 50.
Sketch. Just traipsing around. 3 more Timex guys over there. There's one right there.
It's pretty neat. They got it locked up.
Oh, we done found us a damn chicken coop. And they all just ran away. Oh, we're really out here, man. There's like crawfish holes everywhere. I could see the water in this one.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. Crawfish hole right there.
We gotta
Dude, that's a long hole.
Here, we gotta chop.
Look, dude, look. Look at this. Look, it's wet. So apparently there's like a huge crawdad colony under here. We tried to save it. We found a fish that was in a puddle. It looks like it must have just flooded here and been complete. Like, yeah, dude, it's marshy as can be. We're walking through like the 3rd pasture. Damn! It goes forever. It's like a whole ass pasture back here. What's that white box over there?
Yeah,
I think that's bees.
I kind of want to go. I wouldn't be surprised.
This is something else. This is crazy. I look like I'm on the old school Windows 95
Background.
background.
That was Windows XP, cuz.
True. In the words of 2 Chainz, true. I don't know, where should we go?
What do you think over the hill?
I know. Dude, I was just about to say, what's over the hill? Doesn't it make you want to see what's over the hill? At least we're going uphill, out of the mud. It's bees, bro.
Oh, dude, there's honey.
This is wild. He's not taking the honey. I've never been stung by a bee, and I'm not getting stung today. Back off, bro. Oh, one just flew right next to you.
I know.
They're getting more active, too. They can smell fear. Oh, they're definitely coming to check us out, and I'm just gonna walk away. So many wildflowers. So cool. My man and I are in paradise right now, dude. This is crazy. It's like
Look at that patch.
patches of wildflowers just everywhere.